Hello everybody, welcome to a new tutorial on this channel. Today we will learn how to create a password generator with Python. So let's get it started. Alright, so creating a simple password generator with Python is fairly simple because the only thing that we have to import is random. And the first thing that you have to do in order to create the script is basically passing all the characters that you would like to include in the password. So we will start with uppercase letters, which is basically all the letters from the alphabet, and then we also want the lowercase letters, right? Which are basically the uppercase letters, but lower, obviously. We go with digits as well, from 0 to 9, right? And then we also want to include some symbols, right? So we will use anything that I can find on my keyboard, plus, equal, dot, and whatever else you want to use. Feel free to add anything you want, but be careful. If you want to add backslash, you have to put 2 of them in order to make it work. Now the next thing that we have to do is actually create some booleans that you can use in order to decide which of those you want to include in your password. So we'll go with upper, lower, nums for the digits, and sims for the symbols. We will set everything for true now, right? And I will come back to those and set anything to false so that you can see what is the output then. Now, we can also decide this on a user input, but for now I will stick to setting them directly into the script. So now we create the string, the empty string, which will later be the string that contains everything from above. But now we have to make for each string we have to make a statement, if statement, to check if we want or not to use those. So if upper, then we will add to all the uppercase letters, right? Then if lower, we will want to add everything from lowercase letters. If nums, then we will add everything from nums to from digits. And the last one, if sims, then we will add all the symbols. Like symbols, like this. And then now that we check every single one of those, we can start to create the password. But first, let's say we want to also have a length to the password, right? So we set the length to 20 characters, and now we have to set the amount of passwords that we want to generate. Let's say we want to generate 5 passwords for now. So that's the setup, and now we have to actually write the generator, right? So for x in range amount, password equal, because now we want to generate a password. So the password would be an empty string where I join to the empty string random.sample, and then we will be using the all string that we just created, and then we want to make the limit that we set previously, right? And then we just have to print the password. So now if I run the script, you will see that we have created 5 passwords that are from what I can see, yeah, they seems to be like 20 characters length. So let's say I don't want to include any number in this, right? So let's set this to false and try to regenerate the password. As you can see, we no longer have any password. Any number in the password, right? But let's say I do want numbers, but I don't want any symbol. Let's say that. So if we rerun the script, you will see that we no longer have any symbol into the script. So yeah, that's pretty much it. As I said, you can also put those to be user input. But for now, I was just setting them directly into the script so that you can make an idea on how this works. We can also set the length to be less or even the amount to be more. So now we would basically generate 10 passwords, but only that includes 10 characters. So as you can see, we have 10 passwords, but then it is shorter password. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video. Please drop a like if you found this helpful. Or let me know down in the comments if you had any issue while creating this simple password generator, or if you have any idea that you would like to see on this channel. And we will meet again later on this week with another video. Bye!